Hi, I'm Allison Prophet. Welcome to this BioIT World podcast. Today I'm speaking with Stephen Rietveld of Nodeum. Nodeum is software-defined storage designed specifically for the challenges facing biotech and life sciences. Welcome, Stephen.
Thank you.
So tell us, what is the story behind Nodeum? What's the origin?
Well, technologies created by our parent company, MTC, allowed for open storage systems to attach to old closed infrastructures. This technology is used as the basis for Nodeum. We saw a need in the market to make it easy and safe to attach different types of storage and present it as a single file system. This way of working can integrate flash, hard drives, tape, and cloud.
So what are the biggest storage challenges you see in the BioIT space?
We see a need for reduction in the complexity of the storage environment. Bio companies want to be focused on their core business, not really on the IT. And this issue becomes even more important with the growth of storage, becoming, in more and more cases, really big data. Obviously, users also want to keep the data safe and, where possibly, avoid a vendor lock-in. Just as important is the traceability, search, if you will, kind of the ability to find your data quickly and easily.
Those are some big problems. How can a tool address all of those challenges and enable workflows?
The ideal tool would be a management layer between the front end of the workflow and the archive, and everything in between. I hope that this doesn't come as a surprise, but we've designed Nodeum to be just that. In keeping it smart, simple, and intuitive, we have created a tool that reduces the IT workload and also reduces the total cost of ownership by letting the BioIT data live where it's most efficient. The beauty of Nodeum is that it can be integrated with the current infrastructure already in place.
I know that Nodeum is designed to be scalable. So what hurdles do you see coming for BioIT infrastructure, and how can you help address those?
It is the growth of data volumes and the number of files generated by the next-gen workflows that will continue to put pressure on BioIT. This, coupled with changing data retention, will create an explosion in the needed storage capacity. We must also not forget that this growth creates a ripple effect towards energy consumption as well, making the need for a more efficient and greener solution another high priority in the future.
What are Nodeum's key differentiators versus the competition?
First of all, ease of use and the integration with existing BioIT infrastructures like DNA sequencing, making it a system that is completely open and uses open standards. For instance, Nodeum is one of the 5 companies that is certified on LTFS, the linear tape file system. Also, Nodeum offers an open API based on REST, which allows for automation of the infrastructure. This functionality is really appreciated by a lot of our clients. Last, but certainly not least, is the integrated classification of metadata. This can be automatically cataloged and searched.
So what's next for Nodeum?
We see a further usage of cloud solutions and integrating those into Nodeum, but also a closer integration with the BioIT workflows, allowing the API an even tighter relationship with, for instance, sequencers. And lastly, we're doing some BioIT-specific functionalities. For instance, imagine being able to use different viewers directly on your searchable metadata.
Thank you, Stephen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us. This has been a BioIT World podcast. For more BioIT World podcasts and webinars, please visit www.bio-itworld.com.